we are going to learn the topic Letter to the Editor, Grade 10. In this topic, we will learn what is a letter to the editor, why we should write a letter to the editor, when to write a letter to the editor, and also the proper format how to write a letter to the editor. So let's see.
Subject English, topic Letter to the Editor, Grade 10. Now let's see what is a letter to the editor. It's an expression of opinion on a current subject or issue, a persuasive text with the aim to express views to wider public, a written way of talking to readers of a regularly printed publication, that's newspaper, magazine, periodical, etc., and are often responses to articles from particular publication or to the letters to the editor. Now let's know why write a letter to the editor. When you are angry about something and want others to know, an issue is so important that you must speak about, to persuade others to take a specific action, to suggest an idea to others, to influence public opinion, to educate the public, or to influence policymakers, leaders, or public in charge. Now let us know when should you write one. Anytime you want to shape public opinion, anytime you want to tell others how you feel about something, or inform the public on an issue, or anytime you want to start a community conversation about an issue. Now let's see all the elements to be followed to write a letter to the editor. Number 1, sender's address, date, the editor, name and address, subject, salutation, introductory paragraph, body of the letter which includes explanation, concluding paragraph, that is your opinion, views, etc., your faithfully, signature. Now I'll show you the format of formal letter. Now you can see that all these points are written in boxes. That makes clear that after each point or after each element, you need to leave space and start the next topic. Your address, then space, date, then leave one line, and then recipient name, space, address of the receiver, again one line space, subject, space, salutation, space, and then content. Now content includes introduction in first paragraph, state of the problem in the second paragraph, and third paragraph includes for an action. And the last is sign off, name and designation. Let us see one sample of it. You can see here the letter with different topics written on it. See the address, date, designation, subject, salutation, the main body in 3 paragraphs, subscription and name. I hope the format is clear to you. Now here is one sample letter. You can practice this following the format and do well for the exam. Thank you.